Juicing has become a cornerstone of health and wellness routines around the world. The quest for nutrient-dense, delicious juices that can be easily made at home has led to the development of advanced juicing machines. Among them, this Pure Juicer two-stage juicer stands out as a premium cold-press juicer that promises exceptional performance and durability. This review delves into the features, benefits, and overall experience of using the Pure Juicer, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your kitchen. The Pure Juicer arrives in a well-packaged box, ensuring that all components are protected during transit. Upon opening, you're greeted with a sleek, stainless steel machine that exudes quality and robustness. The package includes the main juicer unit, a solid stainless grinder, a powerful hydraulic press, a comprehensive user manual, and the periodic table of juicing printed in full color. The immediate impression is that this is a high-end appliance designed to deliver exceptional results. Key features and benefits. 1. Two-stage cold press process. The Pure Juicer uses a unique two-stage cold press process that sets it apart from conventional juicers. In the first stage, the solid stainless grinder quickly grinds produce into a fine pulp. This process ensures that every bit of fruit or vegetable is efficiently broken down, ready for maximum juice extraction. In the second stage, the hydraulic press applies 2.5 tons of pressure to the pulp, extracting every drop of juice. This method ensures you get 30 to 50% more juice compared to other juicers, capturing all the vital nutrients and flavors. 2. Versatility. Beyond juicing, while primarily a juicer, the Pure Juicer's versatility makes it a valuable kitchen companion. It doubles as an excellent food processor capable of making baby food, nut milk, dips, soups, and even vegan ice cream. This versatility is a significant advantage for those who enjoy experimenting with different recipes and want a single appliance that can handle multiple tasks. Number 3. Durable stainless steel design. Built to last, the Pure Juicer features a solid stainless steel construction. This not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures durability and longevity. The materials used are food-grade and safe, providing peace of mind that your juices and foods are free from harmful chemicals. 4. Easy to use and clean. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Pure Juicer is intuitive and easy to use. The machine requires no tools for installation, and you can start juicing right out of the box. All parts are easily removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The design focuses on user convenience, ensuring that juicing doesn't become a chore. Number 5. Exceptional juice quality. The quality of juice produced by the Pure Juicer is truly remarkable. The two-stage process captures the full spectrum of nutrients and flavors from each fruit and vegetable. This results in juices that are not only delicious, but also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Operating the Pure Juicer is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The grinder efficiently processes produce into a fine pulp, which is then pressed to extract juice. The intuitive controls and clear instructions make it easy for anyone to use, whether you're a juicing novice or an experienced enthusiast. The efficiency of the Pure Juicer is one of its standout features. The combination of the powerful grinder and the hydraulic press ensures maximum juice yield from all types of produce. Whether you're juicing soft fruits, leafy greens, or hard vegetables, the Pure Juicer handles them all with ease, delivering consistently high-quality juice. Cleaning the Pure Juicer is hassle-free thanks to its design and dishwasher-safe parts. The machine can be disassembled quickly, and the stainless steel components are easy to clean. Regular maintenance involves ensuring that the hydraulic press remains in good condition and that the grinder blades are kept sharp, but these tasks are minimal and straightforward. Pure Juicer offers excellent customer support and a robust 12-year warranty. This warranty covers any manufacturing defects and provides peace of mind that your investment is protected. Pros and cons. Pros. Two-stage cold press process ensures maximum juice extraction and nutrient retention. Versatile functionality allows for making baby food, nut milk, dips, soups, and more. Durable stainless steel design guarantees long-lasting performance. Easy to use and clean, with dishwasher-safe parts and intuitive operation. High juice quality, with rich flavors and essential nutrients. Cons: the premium build and features come with a higher price tag. The machine's weight and size may require a dedicated space in the kitchen. Final thoughts. Is the Pure Juicer worth it? The Pure Juicer two-stage juicer is a top-of-the-line appliance that delivers exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Its unique two-stage cold press process ensures that you get the most out of your produce, both in terms of juice yield and nutrient content. The robust stainless steel construction, ease of use, and straightforward cleaning make it a practical choice for anyone serious about juicing. While the initial investment may be higher than other juicers, the benefits it offers in terms of juice quality, efficiency, and versatility justify the cost. If you're looking to invest in a high-quality juicer that can also serve as a food processor, the Pure Juicer is an excellent choice. It promises to be a reliable and valuable addition to your kitchen, helping you create healthy, delicious juices and foods for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.